Guess what state I'm still in? Nice ride through the park. These giant pine trees. Gonna be a little crowded today, it's Saturday. I'm at Itasca State Park, and something very interesting starts its journey here heading south. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Did you guess what starts here? Well, if you guessed the Mississippi River, you're right. And here's where it starts. Mary Gibbs, Mississippi Headwaters Center. Oh, they have this big map here, so I'm going to try to get all this. Here's where we're at Lake Itasca in Minnesota. And as it winds its way down past Minneapolis, through Wisconsin, through Iowa, that's where the Des Moines River and the Mississippi meet. Then through Illinois, St. Louis, part of the Ohio River and the Cumberland River all meet. Through Kentucky, Missouri, Tennessee, Memphis. The Arkansas River meets up. Keep on heading down, finally get into Mississippi, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, down into New Orleans, and out into the Gulf. Well, it shows the altitude of 1,475 feet as it makes its way down to an altitude of sea level of 0, all 2,318 miles. Check out the gift shop. Oh, there's some bears waiting on you. A lot of stuff in here. We're gonna go to the headwaters. I think we can walk across it. You can walk across the Mississippi River, down these steps and up the other side. You got people walking across on the other end. There's a few ways you can pass over the Mississippi here. All right, we're gonna make our way down to Lake Itasca, where it all starts. Caution, slippery rocks. Webcam in use. Here, 1,475 feet above the ocean, the mighty Mississippi begins to flow on its winding way 2,552 miles to the Gulf of Mexico. Well, here's where it all starts, Lake Itasca. As we come down, and instead of going over the wooden footbridge, you can cross the Mississippi over here on the rocks, like everybody else here is doing. We are standing in the Mississippi River. We're gonna go do a little walking. And it is just above ankle deep. This is really cool. Watch your step. It's a little rocky though, but still pretty good. Everybody walking the river. We're back at the visitor center and headquarters, and we'll get a bite to eat at the Headwaters Cafe. Here at the park, they got a camp store and the bike and boat rental and sales repair shop, Itasca Sports. There are miles and miles of trails around here, so plenty of bikes to choose from. All right, we're going into the bike shop.
Itasca Sports, this is Jack. How can I help you?
All right, we got drinks, helmets, even brand new bikes if you want to buy them.
What are you looking for?
All for your biking needs. All kinds of tools, locks, bags,
they would be available to rent. So,
seats.
And that's just the options are we have everything available to rent. So we have 20.
Then you go out back, they have paddle boards, boats, a little bit of everything here. This is awesome. That water was only like ankle deep to knee deep. So how many people can say they've walked across the Mississippi over on logs or rocks like you saw other people doing, or walked into the Mississippi River? That water was nice and cool and very refreshing, because like I said, it was pretty hot out here. This place was packed with people. If you come out here, bring some water shoes, because it's a rocky bottom. If you do bare feet, it's going to hurt you. So, but there's mountain bikers out here, road bikers, campers, just everything's out here. So come up here to Itasca, Minnesota, and have a great time at the beginning of the Mississippi River. And on that note, traveler out.